Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, clear immediate triggers, and put healthier options within arm's reach. Once done, prioritize protein and fiber at every meal to blunt cravings: eggs, Greek yogurt, beans. Make a simple 3-meal plus 2 snack plan and set a 2-liter water goal. Staying hydrated reduces false hunger signals. Also, schedule consistent sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours, because poor sleep spikes sugar desire. These first steps create physiological and environmental momentum, so you can resist impulse binges. Once your environment and meals are set, focus on sustainable execution. Build meals from a simple template: protein, vegetables, healthy fat, so you rarely face a decision that leads to sugar. When a craving hits, pause for 10 to 15 minutes and do 2 deep breaths. Delay often dissolves the urge. Track every craving for 7 days' time, emotion, and setting, so you identify patterns. Make sure to swap 1 high-sugar treat per week for a lower-sugar ritual to practice restraint without deprivation. To finish, cement replacements and taper sugar gradually. Don't quit cold turkey unless you want intense rebound. Replace sweet rituals with a hot herbal tea, a 5-minute walk, or a 2-minute cold splash. These interrupt the loop. Reduce added sugar about 20% each week toward your target, and reward progress with non-food treats. If you relapse, don't berate yourself. Review your pattern log, adjust meal timing or sleep, and try 1 new coping replacement. This fixes root causes instead of masking symptoms.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.